I have lots of domesticated stuff to do back at home today, so I got up early. I gotta get a little bit of wild in. I'll just never be completely domesticated. I'm a wild cat, not a domesticated cat. So, gotta get out in the woods. It's the best thing for you. Like blue collar backcountry says, the best thing for the inside is the outside. And for me, it's the best medicine for me. So let's see what adventures we see on this quick trip out in the woods. Well, I'm all sprayed up with repel bug spray, but I guarantee you when I get home, at least one of those ticks will get through the barrier. Happens every time lately. I just think there's a overpopulation right now. So as soon as I get home, check the body, make sure there's none of those creepy crawly ticks on me. It's just going to be one of those years. That's what happens when you don't have any frost in the wintertime. Well, I'm pretty tired. You ever have one of those dreams where you're constantly running around in the dream and doing a whole bunch of stuff that you wake up exhausted? That's what happened to me today. And it's the weirdest dream. We were all out camping in a small woodland park in a large city. And someone asked me to go get some chicken paprika and a piece of chert rock for their steel to start the fire. So I'm wandering through the cities, which I don't like to do anyway, trying to find chicken paprika and chert rock. And I keep driving past this off-ramp and I can't get on it because of the traffic and stuff. And I'm just getting frustrated. And I'm running around the city streets looking for chicken paprika and a piece of chert rock. So, never achieved it, but woke up exhausted. So, one of those weird dreams you have every once in a while. Well, darn it, I said well. I'm trying not to say well in my videos anymore. A whole bunch of yellow wildflowers here. I love them because they're flowers, and more so because they're wild. Because I like wild, not tame. Very nice. Onward. I don't know if you can hear, but there's lots of crows caterwauling out there. There must be some birds of prey out there they're trying to scare off. They're the guardians of the bird world. Okay, I gotta remember two things about my videos that I apologize for. First one is I just naturally have this very fast gait. I need to not realize to slow down so that things aren't so bumpy and rough. And I need to stop saying well. I go back and look at my videos and I cringe every time I say well, so that's my goal for future videos, is don't say well and slow down. I should listen to my own advice, shouldn't I? For me, wilderness equals freedom. Whenever I'm in the woods, it's nice to be off the chains of civilization and just be out here with my own thoughts, with my own beliefs, with my own feelings, and just thinking about things. And the best place to think about things is out in the quiet, in the woods, without any interference. It really opens your mind and your spirit and your soul to so many things. This was supposed to be just a regular hike, but it's turned into a swamp talk, I guess. Look at how tenacious life is. It holds on to whatever it can, no matter what struggles. It keeps holding on. Time to go home, 'cause that's the way, I hike it, See ya. Who says cats don't come when you call them with a whistle? What's up, Missy?